Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajingither markeliang hapedeng ki Kyrtong ka Kongres bat u Kyrtong ya monlang kala nangjur hakini ki kindiat sngi hakirin san yalap election. Hakawai na kirin san yalap election kaba u Kyrtong jong kaseng Kongres ula yalap kaba lalong hayo penursla ula Pynpaw bat ther ya kaseng United Democratic Party bagadai ke UDP kaba lakhang lat yo ba Presiden Tensong ban yo yak shuki jong Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla. Penban kala ailat yo Konrad ke sangma ban long Myntri Rangbah. Habaya keren baginong patai kubor hakam ratrik kam jong hagas ngineng kong jong katayo kataga pratrik yayong arjar khat kendai Sumbud Myntri Rangbah ula Pynpaw ya ke Jinglengo ba balai Kyrtong kaseng Kongres bar MLA ka Mausenram ki kren ya kani tang hayo penursla nrei ki sngap jarjar haki weipat ki jaka ula ong ba ke Jingkren jong ki galakta ya shimet khamtam ba ki kren hakayo ka bahap hapo ka constituency jong
I just wanted to clarify that nothing of that sort is there. I am not at all aware about that issue, that allegation made by the candidate himself along with the MLA from Mausenram, Mr. Himasha. Saying that, I think that is not fair, as I said. And moreover, why don't you talk that everywhere you go? Why should you talk only in Peninsula? You get a point? Why do you have to talk this particular issue only in Peninsula market? Why should you mention it specifically in Peninsula constituency? Which I personally feel that is not fair. I need to clarify on this, and the clarification is very clear, as I said, that nothing of that sort happened during the formation of MDA government. Because everybody, they said that yes, Konrad Sangma should be leader, he has to lead the so-called MDA government. So that was the decision taken. But now in this campaign, as I said to you, if you say that why is it necessary for me to clarify, you're asking me that question, I said, why should I not clarify? Why should I not? I have to clarify because of one thing. This allegation was made specifically in Peninsula constituency. Okay. Otherwise, if they talk about this issue everywhere, that is different issue. But when they talk about Peninsula, in Peninsula area only, about this issue, so I thought maybe there's something wrong somewhere.
And against you also.
I mean, you want to create confusion.
Yes.
We should not create confusion in between.
Uba Presiden Tensong ula Pynpaw ru baki Kyrtong monlang jong ke sorkar MDA kin yo so ka jingjob habaro artli ki constituency. Shushu ula ongru bawat la kimshim la penmi ya ka Common Manifesto hnrei ki la don ka Jingkren yakimat ki bakini ki Kyrtong ki dei bantrei na ka banta ka Jylla.
Right now, what we are doing is we would like to make sure that both the candidates, common candidates, Tura and Shillong, come out victoriously. Okay, that is our focus right now. Well, after 23rd of May, after the counting, so once we cross the bridge, let us see, and we will decide about it accordingly. But what we wanted right now is to make sure that both our common candidates, Tura and Shillong, should become victorious. Our focus is mainly if we have our own MPs, both from Tura and from Khasi, what's going to happen is it will ease us where they will be there as our authorized ambassador, I should say. They will be the one who will plead, who will follow it up, whatever proposal, whatever schemes or projects submitted to the government of India. So that is the main issue where we wanted to make sure